Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with these financial institutions. Goldman Sachs versus Northern Trust, which reigns supreme? In this comparison, we'll dissect the offerings of Goldman Sachs and Northern Trust, empowering you to choose the financial partner that best aligns with your unique requirements. Convenient links to their products are provided in the description below. Let's delve into their features, target demographics, and key distinctions to equip you with the knowledge for a well-informed decision. Goldman Sachs stands as a global titan in investment banking, wealth management, and consumer financial services. Through its Markers platform, it provides high-yield savings accounts, competitive certificates of deposit, CDS, and personal loans, all within a fully digital ecosystem. Goldman Sachs caters to individuals and businesses seeking sophisticated financial instruments, robust investment returns, and access to advanced wealth management services. Its digital-first strategy makes it a perfect fit for tech-savvy individuals who prefer online financial management, while its extensive global presence attracts those looking to invest on a large scale or access international banking services. On the other hand, Northern Trust distinguishes itself as a premium provider of wealth management, asset servicing, and fiduciary services, specializing in ultra-high net worth individuals, family offices, and institutions. Northern Trust delivers personalized wealth management and investment solutions, along with private banking services, to help individuals and families safeguard and grow their wealth over the long term. It boasts a stellar reputation for trustworthiness and expertise in navigating complex financial landscapes, making it the preferred choice for those with substantial assets. Furthermore, Northern Trust provides asset management and custodial services to institutional clients, a significant component of its service portfolio. The core difference between these two institutions lies in their strategic focus. Goldman Sachs serves a broader market, offering digital financial services to both individual and business clients, with a strong emphasis on investment opportunities. It's an ideal choice for those pursuing high returns and leveraging digital tools for financial management. Conversely, Northern Trust concentrates on delivering bespoke wealth management services to high-net-worth individuals and institutions, prioritizing a personalized, service-oriented approach. In summary, if your priorities include high returns on investments and a digital-first banking experience, Goldman Sachs is likely the more suitable option. However, if your needs center around personalized wealth management or services tailored for substantial assets, Northern Trust emerges as the superior choice. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more comprehensive information. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, which institution best aligns with your financial goals.